Hello friends, Marisa here with e-manageONE with a quick video on creating a new company. So in the previous video we did utilize the prospecting tool to create a new company. Of course you can always hit new company. But for sake of keeping things the same, we're going to utilize the prospect tool. You'll type in name of the company and location. Again, this can be city, state, city and state. We're going to go with Dallas, Texas, and get results. Just want to reiterate this information here. Now, as you can see, with the Google API, Google integration, we have multiple properties or multiple companies within Dallas. So you go through, find the correct one that you're looking for. We're going to go with Mockingbird, new company. It will populate some of the information for you. This is your new company screen. So whether you're starting from a blank and you like to fill all this in for yourself, or you're using the prospecting tool which auto-populates this information for you, whatever way you'd like to go, this really helps with any type of errors. Most importantly, you want to choose the company type first. This will let you know exactly, like if I use the customer bill to, you'll see that certain fields become required, versus if I change to a vendor, a whole other section of information needs to be filled out. So this is really important to go ahead and just select first and foremost, so then you'll know exactly what you need to select the rest of the term. Go ahead and complete the rest of this. We'll just say market type. And fill in the required fields. Again, if you have any of this information here, go ahead and fill it out. Very important for our Canadian companies, you do want to fill out the GST, PST, as well as the payable. So if you have this information, please fill this in for the Canadian companies. It is very important to help with your accounting as it goes down the road. So fill that information in there, as well as the bill to. So this right here, super important. If the company, if you know going in that this company, like say we're doing the work here, we're billing somewhere else, you want to select it here in this drop down. You'll start typing in the company name and choose from there. If the company is not listed in here, guess what? You have to create a new company with the correct bill to address as the main address. So this way it'll default in your bill to. This will help setting up moving forward when you start a project. Moving forward with any of that information, you'll need to put this information in here. So again, only if it's different from your actual install location. If the install and the bill to is the same, no need to change anything, leave it as it is. You'll need to select save first before concentrating on any salespeople here. Select save. You'll see the nice green banner pop up letting you know you have saved this information, and if you noticed, all the salespeople populated here. You will then need to go in and choose a primary for this sales account and the percentage. You'll just change it right here. That way, again, going forward, any project for Core Power Yoga is going to be Stephanie Pepper's sale every single time. Now, this can change project to project if you needed to update it or edit it, but this just alleviates one less thing that you have to click on later when creating projects. From here, you can go ahead and create contacts. If you already have a contact for the company. Now, if you're ready to go ahead and start a project, then I would say go ahead and create the new project, and you can add the contact at that time, because then you're adding that contact to that specific project. Now, if it's somebody that you know, this is your main contact for this company, period, you're able to put it in there. The point is when you add that contact in there, it'll be in your database for you to pull in whatever field that you need to pull it in from. That is pretty much the rundown on creating a company. Just making sure that you're doing your due diligence, filling in as much of this information as you have correctly, so that way as it carries through the cycle of the project, it's one less thing for you to have to worry about. It's one less thing for you to have to go and search and dig. So make sure you're changing the default bill to up front. You're getting that information. And same, if you don't have that information initially, and then as you're awarded the project, you realize there is going to be a different bill to, you can always go back and edit this information here. So like I said, do your due diligence. Make sure that you are checking all the boxes that need to be checked and just double checking. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.